Are you really afraid of an ectopic pregnancy? After conception, are you actually very nervous to understand whether this is a normal pregnancy or an ectopic pregnancy? Let's understand in detail what an ectopic pregnancy is. So when a fertilized egg, which means combination of egg and sperm, fails to reach the uterus and sticks to the fallopian tube or any other adjoining areas, results in an ectopic pregnancy. सिंपल शब्दों में, प्रेगनेंसी अगर अपनी सही जगह की जगह किसी और जगह पे हो तो उसे ectopic pregnancy कहा जाता है. 2% of all the pregnancies result in ectopic pregnancy. Most common site, 90% of the cases, is within the fallopian tubes. So most important is to understand who is actually at high risk of developing an ectopic pregnancy. Let's understand who is actually at a higher risk of ectopic pregnancy. If a woman has undergone any previous pelvic surgery or any surgeries involving the fallopian tubes, that lady becomes at a higher risk of ectopic pregnancy. अगर आपको recurrent pelvic infection होता है या कोई STD है या there is a history of tuberculosis or endometriosis, all these can make you at a higher risk of ectopic pregnancy. Women who smoke and who are more than 35 years of age also have a high risk of developing ectopic pregnancy. If you have a prior history of ectopic pregnancy, the next pregnancy also has a higher risk of ectopic pregnancy. So ये सारी conditions हैं जिसमें अगर आपको pregnancy conceive होती है, you should immediately visit a gynecologist to rule out whether it is a natural normal pregnancy or an ectopic pregnancy. Next, let us understand what are the symptoms of ectopic pregnancy. Pregnancy के symptoms usually same होते हैं जैसे nausea, vomiting, breast tenderness, palpitations. But generally, ectopic pregnancy में light या severe pain in abdomen हो सकता है. This pain can radiate towards your neck or shoulder. There can also be a possibility of light or heavy bleeding, and also there can be episodes of fainting attacks. अगर इनमें से कोई भी symptom आपको तब होता है जब you have tested pregnancy test positive, do not sit at home. Immediately visit a hospital emergency. Next most important topic है how to diagnose ectopic pregnancy. So ectopic pregnancy is a diagnosis of exclusion. इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर किसी लेडी का बीटा HCG या प्रेगनेंसी हार्मोन का लेवल 1500 इंटरनेशनल यूनिट से ज्यादा है, पर अल्ट्रासाउंड में प्रेगनेंसी बच्चेदानी के अंदर विजुअलाइज नहीं हो पा रही है, तो दिस माइट बी एन ectopic pregnancy. So if you have a beta HCG value more than 1500 units, but on your scan, an intrauterine gestational sac is not visible, you have a higher chance of ectopic pregnancy. इसमें हम सीरियल मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ बीटा HCG करते हैं, साथ साथ अल्ट्रासाउंड करते जाते हैं, जिससे हमें ectopic pregnancy का डायग्नोसिस समझ में आए. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ ectopic pregnancy. सारी ectopic pregnancies में सर्जरी करना जरूरी नहीं है. अगर अर्ली स्टेज पे ectopic pregnancy डायग्नोज हो जाती है तो these pregnancies can be easily treated with a simple injection called methotrexate. Methotrexate injection से ये प्रेगनेंसी fallopian tube में ही सूख जाती है और अपने disastrous effects which is due to the growth of the pregnancy leading to bursting of fallopian tubes doesn't happen. Sometimes अगर ectopic pregnancy थोड़ा सा late diagnose होती है तो ये बेबी fallopian tube में बड़ा होते होते 6-7 weeks के बाद इतना बड़ा हो जाता है that it is beyond the capacity of fallopian tubes to actually accommodate it, and then the fallopian tubes ruptures and leads to a medical emergency. इस सिचुएशन में हमें आपकी लेप्रोटमी या पेट खोल के सर्जरी करना कंपलसरी हो जाता है. इन सम सर्कमस्टेंसेस, if the patient is stable clinically, then we can also perform a laparoscopic surgery to treat ectopic pregnancies. Last but not the least, when you are planning next pregnancy, it should be planned at least 3 months after methotrexate injection. And whenever you conceive, please do not sit at home. Immediately visit a gynecologist. Thank you.